Robert and I went into town to, but the store that we need to go to isn't open yet. So we are going on a little scenic drive to kill some time, and oh my goodness, it's going to be so pretty. And we passed a sign that said, you're on the gateway to Serenity. I told Robert we should have taken that drive a long time ago. Or no, not Serenity. Well, that would have been good too, but Sanity. In case y'all can't read that sign, it says dumpsters are intended for campground and backcountry users of the Fish Lake National Forest. In all our years of travels out here full-time on the road, Robert and I have never seen that. Thank you, Fish Lake National Forest. Awesomeness. Sure hope there's not a car coming around the corner, since these guys, one of us will have to get hit.